And the Dyson got the new side skirts up. So nice with the GT3 grill too. Probably have to visit them later this weekend. Morning, guys. So it is Thursday and Tokyo Auto Salon is this weekend, and tonight is the RWB meet again in Roppongi Hard Rock Cafe. So I will be stopping by there after I work today. It's actually been a while since I vlogged again. I've actually had my car for a good month now, but it's still not registered yet. I'm hoping to get the number plate soon, but I don't think I'll be able to drive it this weekend. It's a bummer, but it is what it is. But I'm excited to see a lot of friends again this weekend. So yeah, I will pick this up when we head to Hard Rock Cafe. Good. See Tosha sounds. Oh, it's nice video. Takayama's sounds. Sounds nice. Way from Fukushima. It's like.
It feels like, hey, surprise, the guys mine is here too.
It's the usual. I remember last year was so much crazier. The last 35s. Go ahead. This one's this parking lot's even darker than it used to be. No, that's right. They used to have the second floor up there. I don't know why they took it down.
I don't know where everyone went.
2025 something? Yeah, like 2025, right? 35, yes. Okay, so I want to introduce somebody for him from who is it? Huh? Dan. Okay, Dan came from UK.
Yeah.
This is
Hey, my name is Dan and I'm from the UK and I'm having a second RWB thanks to Nakai. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it.
Yeah, enjoy. And what about the next December? December, we go. Yeah, you say something.
When are we having my bill? April. Next year.
How are you doing?
Dina brought it out. So nice, guys. Bryson got the new side skirts up. So nice with the GT3 grill too. We'll have to visit them there this weekend.
Yeah, they want to build a kite.
It is already 11 p.m. So I am going to head home because I had work today. So there's probably a lot more stuff to see in this weekend. Excited for Taz this weekend and see a lot of friends. So good morning, guys. So it is Friday and there's Tokyo Auto Salon this weekend. I'm going for Friday, and there's also the Peaches Underground meet tonight too. So I will be heading out there with friends and yeah, expecting to see a lot of cool cars and a lot of familiar faces. Right now it's still the morning. I'm trying to get my temporary plates for my car. I don't know if it's really going to be okay to drive to any meets or anything, but this is really just part of the process of getting my actual number plates. So hopefully that's not a painstaking process. Everything in Japan is very bureaucratic, but yeah, it's still pretty exciting to get my car on the road, finally show it to my friends. So yeah, we'll probably pick this up later at Tokyo Auto Salon. Should be a pretty exciting day. See ya.
終点海浜幕張です。
guys. So I'm actually back home. We didn't go to the underground meet. As you can see, we were actually 2 hours away from the meet, and it was already pretty late by the time we were done doing our rounds at Auto Salon. And yeah, it was pretty out of the way to go get to the venue. It wasn't announced until today. Would have been nice to go, I guess, but it is what it is. Yeah, it was nice seeing a lot of familiar faces again at Tokyo Auto Salon. It's a lot less crowd on Fridays. And yeah, there's still a lot more going on this weekend. I think it gets really crazy around Tokyo Auto Salon, and the police are really cracking down on it. So that's why a lot of these meets and these locations aren't announced yet. They usually announce it on the day of, which it's kind of hard to keep track of it, especially if you don't have a car. And yeah, hopefully my car will be ready for next year. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I don't know if it was a pretty short vlog, but I was just really taking time to spend time with friends. And yeah, I'll be sharing more photos, more so on Instagram and whatnot. But yeah, just let me know how you guys like this content, what you want to see in any videos, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Take care.